Babo Kabalen, my name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. Isa sa mga walang kasiguraduhan ngayong quarantine period ay yung kailan kaya tayo ulit makakakain sa mga favorite restaurants natin. Like seafood restaurant or Samgyupsal restaurant. Na-imagine natin na kumakain tayo ulit doon. Although may mga restaurants naman na available yung for pick-up or for delivery, but at the end of the day, kakainin pa rin natin yun sa bahay. And most of the time, kapag nasa bahay tayo, gusto na rin natin yung DIY or do it yourself. Yan ang problem na gustong isolve ng ating sponsor for this vlog. Papasalamat kami kay PhilKo Samgyupsal Supplier and Services for sponsoring this vlog. If you're interested to do business with them, actually sa fan page po nila, you can connect with them or contact them if you want to do business with them. They are looking for wholesalers, resellers, and bulkers to do business with them. Actually, sila po yung mga nagsusupply sa mga ibang Korean restaurants for meat. Up until 100 kilograms of meat they can actually supply. So, if you're interested, ask their services, contact their fan page or yung phone number po na ibibigay namin dito. At ito nga ang mga ilan sa mga products ng PhilKo Samgyupsal Supplier and Services. So, meron tayong Samgyupsal meat. Siyempre, basic dyan ang beef and pork. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang lettuce kapag may samgyupsal. Meron din tayong kimchi, meron tayong samjang, and of course, cheese. Actually, kanina pa ako nagluluto dito, so medyo luto na yung mga ibang meat natin. Mga iba, medyo konti pang luto dyan. While we are waiting for these, titingnan na natin yung mga luto. So, ito yung unang test natin sa kanilang samgyupsal. Wow, look at that. So, for my second set, lalagyan ko naman siya ng cheese. Yan. So, actually, yun nga, madalang lang sa mga take-out samgyupsal ang may mga included yung cheese nila. So this one is here. Yan. Whoa. Cheese. More. Alright, that's amazing. And then some more kimchi. And a little bit of samgyang. Alright. So try it. Wow. Sarap, grabe. Parang abot kamay ko na yung favorite samgyupsal ko. Annyeonghaseyo. Oh wow. Sarap ng cheese. A little bit more of kimchi. Wow. So I'm sure guys, tatakam na naman kayo sa vlog natin for today. So if you're interested to buy this Samgyupsal set, make sure to check out PhilKo Samgyupsal Supplier and Services. They can deliver po Palit, San Simon, Minalin, Santo Tomas, San Fernando, and Mexico. And of course, expect na meron po tayong little bit of delivery fee. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you want DIY samgyupsal sa bahay, make sure to check out PhilKo. And until our next video, thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Cheers! Oh.